move on now. It's the start of a brand new series. Anuj is here to tell us how the series and the day is expected to shape up. We're also in the run-up to the long weekend. Anuj, morning. You know, October generally is favourable for the equity markets, right? You think this time is going to be different?
Morning, Sonia. Well, you know, I'm trying my bit with this green tie, hoping that, you know, the red of the last few days is history now. October has been a good series. I'm sure you guys have discussed it. The last 3 Octobers have been quite positive. But the recent price action hasn't been. The last series started on a bang and ended on a whimper. At one point, we were gaining 1,000 points in the series, and we ended with only about 200, 250 point gains. The market is struggling with lack of triggers in large caps. That is the issue. Yesterday, even the mid caps collapsed in late trade. I think that really hurt the sentiment quite a bit. Now, the Nifty did manage to close very close to that 19,545 support that I mentioned. In fact, the provisional close was right at 19,545. The adjustment brought it down to 19,525 again. If Nifty closes below 19,545 today also, then it becomes very bearish. As of now, I would still not call it a complete breakdown. We need one more day of confirmation for that. If that happens, though, the next level to watch would be 19,300. Now, the reason I'm saying that today is crucial is because today you have all the reasons for markets to recover. All the factors which were hurting market, the global cues, that is bond yields, Brent, dollar index, they've all cooled off over the last 12 hours or so. So today, there's case for the market to rally. If that rally doesn't happen or if it fails, then it confirms that it's a bit of a bearish trend. As far as the Nifty levels are concerned, the first support that we're working out with is 19,492, and the bigger support is 19,410, which is the options base. The first support is yesterday's low. The first resistance is 19,620, which was yesterday's breakdown point. And the bigger resistance is 19,729, the falling 20-day exponential moving average, which has been really big resistance for the market over the last few days. The Bank Nifty is the one where yesterday it was a bit more resilient compared to the Nifty. Nifty's fall yesterday was on account of IT largely, maybe preempting Accenture a bit. On the Bank Nifty, the first support is 44,182, which is Wednesday low, and the bigger support is 43,830, the September series low. And below 43,830, a test of 43,100 is possible, which is the 200-day moving average, which is not my base case right now, by the way. On the upside, the resistance comes in at 44,500, which is the options based, and the bigger resistance is 44,756, which is yesterday's high. And by the way, to all of you and to all our viewers, a very happy World Heart Day, which is celebrated on 29th of September every year.
Oh, World Heart Day. So what is it that we're supposed to like sort of run on the treadmill today a little more than usual?
Focus on your heart, you know, and focus on your health. It's important. I can tell you from the personal experience, you know, giving up on that blood pressure medicine, it's a great feeling. So work on your heart. Yes.
Guys, keep the medical thing in mind, also keep the heart in mind.
Yes, we have a good heart. Have good vibes always.
That was a
good vibes.
Khush raho, mast raho.
Nigel said good vibes.
Good vibes, good vibes. Good vibes on and off camera.
Oh, I thought you have only one wife.
One wife? Good vibes.
Good vibes.
I don't know what's on your mind this morning.
I heard vibes.
I don't know what's on your mind.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks, Anuj, for joining in. Well.